So this helmet is indicated for patients with craniosinostosis after operation via endoscopic control, and it's necessary part of the treatment for this baby.
With multi-jet fusion technology, we are able to design and print out directly the final product. The process is faster and the product is lighter and more comfortable.
3D printed helmet helps us to use a minimally invasive technique for treatment.
With 3D printing by HP, we can disrupt the whole industry by providing patients all around the globe with new advanced products that can improve their lives.